What is that smell? It smells so good. I'm making blueberry pancakes. Good morning, Mum.
Go and wash your hands, both of you. What is that sound?
Can you hear that?
It sounds like pressurized water escaping.
Ah!
Or a snake? It is not a snake, Alika.
How do you know?
I am going to open this very carefully.
I will watch from up here.
I will observe. Mom, the water is moving!
Get towels from the bathroom!
Which towels?
Any towels! Now!
Why is the kitchen wet?
The pipe under the sink is broken, Jaff.
It looks like a paddling pool.
Can I get my toy boat?
No! Nobody is getting a toy boat!
I can get the big bucket.
Yes, go!
I can get the big bucket from the garden.
Yes, please, thank you, Jaff. Go!
I'm fine.
Your socks created a surface.
Huss! I know why I slid.
Or turn off the water supply. Huss.
I know why I slid.
Are you okay, Jaff?
Completely fine. Here's the
Bucket will overflow in approximately 2 minutes.
We need more buckets.
Or we could turn off the water supply to the house.
The water valve, near the garden wall.
Mum said near the garden wall. Red wheel.
Metal handle. I can't see anything.
I can't see anything. It's there, behind that bush.
I know how valves work, Huss.
You were turning it the wrong way. I was loosening it first. Just turn it together.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. It's moving! Keep going!
Did it work? It stopped.
Well done.
Good morning. Did I miss something?
The kitchen was a swimming pool, Dad. And Teddy found the water valve.
Well done, Teddy. Teddy.
He looks like a strict headmaster.
Or a retired judge. He looks like a grumpy king.
Yes, exactly. A grumpy king.
I think he's lonely. Mommy, someone new moved in across the street.
Can feel lonely being in a new place.
Can we make them some biscuits?
That is a wonderful idea, sweetheart.
The boys think he's a grumpy king.
Why do you think he's lonely, sweetheart?
Because he was standing outside his new house all alone. No family.
New places can feel a bit different at first. Wow, what a beautiful card! Good girl.
You are drawing a very large sun.
It is a welcoming sun.
Suns do not differentiate between welcoming and non-welcoming contexts.
This one does.
I still think this is a bad idea.
Why, Jaff?
What if he is not expecting visitors?
And we did something kind.
What if he takes our biscuits and forgets to say thank you?
And we are still kind people.
Can I come?
Of course!
For the biscuits! In case he doesn't want them.
The biscuits are a gift, Jaff.
I know, I'm just saying. Backup plan. I will come too.
That is a beautiful card,
Teddy
Alika.
helped. Welcome home to you, sir.
Good afternoon, I'm Safi. We live across the street. We wanted to welcome you to the
You
neighborhood.
baked these?
This afternoon. They're honey biscuits.
And I made this. It has a sun on it.
Because everyone deserves sunshine.
Hello, Mr. George.
Hello, Teddy.
Encouraging sign.
I haven't tasted homemade biscuits in a time.
My mother's recipe.
My wife used to bake on Sundays.
Mr. George, you have so many books.
40 years of collecting them.
A librarian, retired now. A librarian? You looked after all the books?
Every single one.
That is the best job in the whole world.
You like books, Alika?
I love stories more than almost anything.
Almost?
Teddy is first.
Of course.
He's not as scary as I thought. She's 7. How did she know that?
She looked at his eyes. not his face.
I was standing at the window looking serious, lost my reading glasses,
That's it? You weren't being stern?
completely confused, and mildly blind.
You don't have to be lonely anymore. We are very loud all the time.
I can already see that.
Come for dinner this week, Mr. George.
Properly, at our house. I would like that very much.